Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. This is going to be a very special one. I will take you onto my first ever concert. I'm extremely excited for this trip, not only because, well, it's my first concert experience, but also because it is Ludovico Einaudi, my favorite pianist that I'm going to. The plane leaves tomorrow. I'm going with my family, so I probably won't be able to film anything speaking straight to the camera. However, I will make a lot of interesting clips and then edit them into something extremely pleasant and beautiful. I really hope that you like it. Alright, this is everything that I'm packing. This is what I'm going in tomorrow, plus a little bit of jewelry. This is gonna go into the luggage, and this will go into my little purse. You might be surprised by the little amount of things here, but the reason for that is we're not taking any suitcase with us. We're actually only taking a small bag, and there are in total 3 girls that are going, so we really have space only for the extreme essentials. Good evening. Everyone is ready, everything is packed, and we're all extremely excited. I thought that this would be a good time to give you an overview of what will actually happen in the 2 days. So on day 1, we will fly to Bangkok, we will go to our hotel to check in. From there, we will walk around Bangkok for a while. Our plan is to go to this mall and have a little escape room experience. Then we will go to the concert in the evening, and that will be it for day 1. On day 2, we'll probably sleep late, but we'll still wake up for the hotel breakfast. Hotel breakfast is something that me and my sister always look up to whenever we're traveling anywhere and staying at a hotel. Just something about it is completely different. From there, we will check out and we will go to the 46 Motorshow exhibition. It is basically an extremely big exhibit of different vehicles, both old and new, and it's supposed to be extremely interesting. From there, we will go back to the airport, probably grab some lunch there, and then fly back to Phuket. The last thing that I want to mention is why this concert is so special and important to me in particular. I've mentioned before that Ludovico Einaudi is one of my favorite pianists. However, I must also mention that I'm a beginner pianist myself, and he is the one who motivates me to continue on with my practices the most. In fact, I play one of his songs on the piano. It is this one. I hope that some of you recognize it. I know that it's not as popular as Experience and Night, for example. However, it is one of my favorites. I hope that by going to a concert, I will be able to observe his techniques and maybe find some tips and tricks for myself that I'll be able to bring back home and apply to my own practices. On this happy note, I'll go play on the piano and then I'll go to sleep. So see y'all tomorrow. Serenade me? Oh no, I'm sorry. Are you planning to serenade me? Oh, are you planning to serenade?
What's nice?
Я могу поиграть? Меня выбьют отсюда? Good late morning, everyone. This trip, let me tell you, was on a completely different level. All of the expectations that I had were exceeded by 150%. I had extremely fun time traveling, staying at the beautiful hotel. It was just a great time to spend more time with my family and bond with each other. Whenever we're in the house, sometimes we're so preoccupied with our own things that we forget about each other's existence. Such trips are truly the time to get together, catch up, and just build new memories. Also, the Motorshow was extremely interesting. There were so many fun vehicles. The helicopter was definitely my favorite. And saving the best for last, the concert. It was absolutely magnificent. The moment that Ludovic began playing, I melted into my chair and I just listened, being completely oblivious to whatever was happening around me. So much so that I actually forgot to film anything. All of the footage that you see was my mother's filming. A million thanks to her for doing it. But with that, this is where I'm ending the video. I would like to know what was your favorite trip and why it stood out so much to you. Let me know down below in the comments. But with that, goodbye and until the next time.